You are now watching Dom on your dime. We're over here, baby. We understand that time is money. So let's get into spending yours. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Dominique, and today we will be dropping another dime. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to like, share, comment, and share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, please like the video. I wanted to go over what is in the news. This incident that we're going to discuss today happened on Thursday. It is with a young black male, 12 years old at that, who was placed in handcuffs after being spotted by a gang of cops in the Lansing, Michigan area. 12-year-old Tashawn Bernard was simply taken out the trash on Thursday when he was mistaken for a suspect in a spat of car thefts. Officer approached him with his firearm unholstered. The thing was, these police officers wasn't betting on the fact that this young man had a black father who cared about him. What happened was Tashawn was simply taking out the trash. His father had asked him to. His father was washing dishes. He realized that his son did not come back. He went outside, and this is what he saw. Take a look at these videos. I'll come back with my commentary.
He was taking out his trash, yo.
His dad's coming out to see why they have put his son in handcuffs.
Yo, they put him in handcuffs. He was just coming to dump. Yo, that was the wrong shit, yo. But what the kid do, though? He fit the description. That's some bullshit. It ain't even him. I seen it. I seen it. That's what he did.
You get what I'm saying? And that's traumatized my son.
That's some wrong shit, though. That's wrong shit, yo. For real. Got the K9 and shit.
All these cops for a teenage kid.
Yo, the wrong person, yo. That's some bullshit. He right, though. He got a right to speak. Wrong description and shit.
They didn't arrest custody and brought the canine down here. Now they've arrested the young boy, but then traumatized him. All these cops put him in a cop car.
Now they about to tell lies. They was wrong for that man. They was wrong for that shit. The boy traumatized, boy. That boy up. Bro, look at that. He crying. What? What? You said what? They can't do nothing to me.
Alright, you guys, I got another clip for you, and this is from the news report. Tashawn and his family have since lawyered up. We're going to hear from the mayor and also the police with their statements. Watch this.
Outrage tonight after a viral video shows Lansing police handcuff a 12-year-old boy. Now city leaders are apologizing, and the family has hired a lawyer. The video shows a black boy being questioned and handcuffed and then put into the back of a police car. Police say it was a misunderstanding as part of an investigation into car thefts. News 10's Tanaya Jordan spoke with the boy's father and lawyer, who say they have concerns about how police handled this incident.
Michael Barnard talking with Lansing police officers after they handcuffed his 12-year-old son and put him in the back seat of a police cruiser. It happened on Thursday at Waverly Park Apartments, where Barnard lives with his son Tashawn. The incident captured on a cell phone by a neighbor. The video uploaded to social media, getting millions of views and reaction from people questioning police actions. Barnard, who didn't want to go on camera, said he's heartbroken over his son being detained.
I was mad about it. I was like, my son didn't never do it breaking the law. So I rushed down and asked the cop, what's the problem? Well, you have my son in handcuffs, just like that.
Barnard says he was doing dishes and told Tashawn to take out the trash. After taking too long to return, Barnard says he went outside to check on his son.
So I get concerned when I didn't see him come back within that period of time. And I walk out through here, look out, and to my surprise, the cops had him in handcuffs.
Lansing police said the 12-year-old fit a description for a man wanted for recent auto thefts in the area. Tashawn told his dad police put their guns on him.
He was stunned because he don't know what's transpiring. What have I done?
After dumping the trash in the dumpster, he was approached from a police officer who had his gun unholstered and was holding it in front of him.
The incident leaving the family shaken. They're now working with an Okemos law firm. In a news conference Friday evening, they say they are considering possible legal action against the city.
Right now, we're discussing and exploring all legal options that are best suitable for our client.
Lansing police declined an on-camera interview, but called the incident an unfortunate misunderstanding. The department later posted a statement on their Facebook page saying, in part, community relations is a top priority for us as a department from top down. Our hope is we can put this unfortunate case of wrong place, wrong time behind us and continue to represent the community that we serve. A new viral video that's again sparking conversation on how minority communities are policed. In Lansing, Tanaya Jordan, News 10.
In an email to News 10, Lansing Mayor Andy Shore said, quote, "Our officers do their absolute best to protect Lansing, but in this case, a mistake was made, and we own it and apologize to those affected." Lansing police say they are offering assistance for any trauma that Tashawn experienced.
All right, you guys, and there's one thing that I can say I agree with the mayor about, and that there was a mistake that was made, and the difference between what he think the mistake is from what it actually was that these cops didn't bet on the fact that this young man had a caring father who was simply waiting for his child to come back from just throwing out the trash. We are in the year of 2023, and when I tell you not much has changed since the 60s, 50s, literally should I say our whole existence in America. The only thing that has changed is the uniforms. They have become so used to seeing us in handcuffs, so much so that they want you to be used to seeing your kids get brutalized in such a traumatizing way. They have made it their business to make you look at these images and say, hey, this is okay. We're here for you. The thing is, when they see our children, they don't see their own. And my question is, will it ever stop? Will it ever change? Centuries we have dealt with this. But that will conclude the end of this video today, you guys. You guys let me know what you think down below. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. I do appreciate every last one of you. Like, share. Until the next video. Later.